I'm going to show you a couple of things once you're in Office 365 and you can see your app menu right here. First, let's go to Outlook. So to open our Outlook, which is also our email, we just click Open Outlook. It will automatically go in because you're signed into Office 365. So you won't have to put in your username or password, your email address or password in order to get in. Okay, so I want to show you a couple of things. First, if you click right here, you can see that it shows your favorites, your folders, and your groups. Favorites, when you do that, is all of this stuff. There's your inbox right there, and that shows you all of the emails that have been sent to you. Okay. Also, if you click on Sent Items, it shows you all of the emails that you have sent. Drafts is if you've started an email and you haven't finished it, it will automatically save here. Okay. Let's see. So let's go back to our inbox. And let's say, look at that, Miss Schiller has sent an email that has to do with hostas. And so if I wanted to reply to Miss Schiller and say, yes, I was interested in this, I would hit this little arrow here, which means reply. I don't want to hit reply all because I just want to talk to Miss Schiller. Reply all would be everybody listed in the email. So if I hit reply, we can see it's going to go to Miss Schiller. And I don't have to worry about a subject line because it's the same subject as what she has written her original email to be. I would say, I am interested. How many hostas do you have? I want to make sure I spell everything correct. Hostas is underlined here because it's the name of something and the computer doesn't realize that. And then I'm going to put my name, okay? And then I click send.